All right, so everybody wants to boycott Goya now because the CEO, after receiving a whole bunch of money from Trump, said that he thinks the US is a very blessed country right now to have him as a leader. So a lot of people aren't too happy with that. Everyone's like, oh no, but we can't boycott because then how are we going to season our food? Our food's going to be bland. And it's like, not really. Like adobo, sazon, it's pretty basic. You have almost everything you need already in your spice cabinet. And even if you just look at the labels, it's like, it's just MSG, a whole bunch of chemicals, some food coloring, and then like salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and then a few other little spices. So like we're just gonna do it ourselves. First up, just need some garlic, onion, turmeric. This is probably, it's more so just to make it a little yellow. I don't think you really taste the turmeric anyway. And oregano, and then of course, salt and pepper. So this is just for adobo. I'll do sazon in like a part 2, just so that way you have the recipe separate, but yeah, let's enjoy. 3 tablespoons of garlic. 1 teaspoon of oregano. About 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Salt is kind of up to you. I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon, but you can always just add more salt later. So. Just give it a nice little shake. Fancy transition. I think I'm in frame. So yeah, that's it. They're really simple. I didn't put too much salt because you can, like, you just add the salt as you go. I feel like whenever you're cooking anything, like, so just put a little bit and then just add more if you feel like you need a little bit more. This is the adobo. Also, you'll notice a lot of these seasonings have MSG in them. MSG is just the umami flavor, so that's kind of like that savoriness you get. And a way to kind of get that on your own is mushrooms and tomatoes naturally have it. So if you cook with those, or I've even seen at Trader Joe's, they have a dry mushroom seasoning, and I haven't tried it yet, but maybe if you throw in a little bit of that. But that's kind of it, like really simple. So enjoy your adobo. Part 2, if you didn't see the other video where I did adobo, this is going to be for sazon. I'm going to show you how to do your own homemade sazon. It's really easy. So yeah, sazon. Add some flavor to it, but it also adds like that really nice red orange coloring. So one of the most important ingredients is anato or achoite, some coriander. You're going to add some cumin. Of course, onion and garlic. I don't even know, like, I feel like onion and garlic go in everything. I don't even know why I bother pointing it out. Turmeric, oregano, salt and pepper. If you already saw the adobo, it's pretty much the same, just more. I honestly wouldn't even bother probably even making adobo unless you really wanted to just use adobo, because I mean, who doesn't just like more flavor, you know? But yeah, let's do it. About 1 tablespoon of anote. 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm gonna add 1 of onion. 1 tablespoon of cumin. 1 tablespoon of coriander. That's more, but whatever. Big teaspoon of turmeric. Of oregano, teaspoon of black pepper. Again, the salt is up to you, but I'm just gonna put a little less than a tablespoon. I'm gonna shake it up. There you go, sazon. Okay, there you go, sazon. You can kind of see it. Just a big jar. Same thing with the adobo. I don't want to put too much salt. I feel like salt is something you can just add whenever you need to, so just a little bit, add as much as you want. And then if you didn't watch the adobo video, I just mentioned that umami is basically what MSG does. So that umami flavoring is kind of this savoriness that you get in a lot of foods, which is why it tastes so good. But you can get it through, I know tomatoes and mushrooms naturally kind of give off that same flavor. I've even heard sometimes adding a little bit of vinegar to your cooking brings it out. So you can do that. Or I think Trader Joe's has like this mushroom seasoning, and it's just dried mushrooms and I think salt and some other stuff. So if you want to try that, you can go for it, but you don't really need it. Like way back in the day, people didn't have MSG. It wasn't just like in a box for you to cook with. Just use what you naturally have, you know? You have most of this in your spice rack, so try it out. Let me know how it goes. Enjoy. While I still have you here, and before I forget, I also have a free cookbook I threw together. The link will be in the description. It's just, it's on my website. Just put in your email, it emails it to you automatically. And yeah, it's just a few breakfast ideas. So check it out. Yeah, if you like any of my stuff, follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram about this much. I'm on TikTok, but I don't really use it that often. But I'm trying to put out more content for you guys. So I have a Patreon page if you want to donate a little bit so I can do more videos. But yeah, any bit helps. Yeah, thanks.